gravitational pull of moon and sun. Okay. So what will happen when you're doing the gravitational pull of moon and sun? So understand that this is the factor which is affecting the tides. So the strength of the moon tide is more. For example, the gravitational pull of the moon is more by, I discussed with you, because of the, it is purely because of the distance. Okay, the gravitational pull is going to be more. Okay, this is how you have to understand. We have done a lot of factors regarding the tides. We have discussed the tides in detail. So everything was done with respect to it. Now we have to understand two tides. Okay, what is that? So I have discussed some of the theories with you. So the first theory that we were doing was progressive wave theory. So first we'll do progressive wave theory, because you have to write when the tide question will come, then you have to write about this. So first is progressive wave theory. What is progressive wave theory? I talk. So progressive wave theory of William Wilbur, propounded in 1833. William Whewell, 1833, and the canal theory by G.V. Airy. Two theories we have done. One is the canal theory, okay, by G.V. Airy. Which was in 1833, okay. Postulated this a G.V. theory was postulated in 1842. Okay, both the theories are different. This is known as a progressive wave theory. This is related to tides. First of all, you have to understand this is related to postulated in the year 1842 to explain the origin of ocean tides. They are based on the following facts. The first is the earth is a heterogeneous body and not a perfect fluid. Now, when the optional answer has to come, you have to write the answers in such a way, okay, that the earth is a heterogeneous body and not a perfect fluid. Tide occurs at different times and different places on same longitude. What do you mean by this? Tide occurs at different time and different places on the same longitude. Understand this point. When you have a same longitude, longitude is like this basically, right? They are the long parallel lines coming from north to south. Now, if the tide is coming, understand the gravity is going to be changed. It's going to change at different points. Why? Because the gravitational pull of equator is maximum or the polar is maximum. What is the formula of this? G is equals to G m1 upon m2 upon r. Because r is in the radius and it is in the denominator. When the radius at the equator is going to be more, gravitational pull is going to be less. And when the radius is going to be less, gravitational pull is going to be more. This is the relationship. Okay? This is the relationship between both of them. So now the point is that we are discussing when the gravitational pull of the moon is working on the different longitudes. The longitude 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the gravity is also differing at the different points. That means gravity at this will be, yes, we'll discuss higher hogi or kam hogi, but first of all you have to understand it will differ. Now there is a lagging of time of tides away from source. There is a variation in magnitude and amplitude of tides at different places. Understand? When the variation of tide is going to be there, what will happen then? This is a tide. This is tide 1. This is tide 2. Okay? This is longitude 1. This is longitude 2. This is longitude 1. This is longitude 2. Now, at longitude 2, the amplitude is less as compared to longitude 1. Similarly, less as compared to 1. So, this is the amplitude at what height it is going. So, this is called amplitude. What is magnitude? With what intensity it is going. क्या इंटेंसिटी है? इंटेंसिटी कैसे पता चलेगी आपको? एक फॉर्मेट ये भी हो सकता है और एक फॉर्मेट ये से भी हो सकता है. When this is so close together, that means the tide is, the intensity is very, yes, magnitude is more. Okay? This is the amplitude and magnitude. Yes, there is a lagging of time of tide. That means the time of tides are going to lag. Lag means there can be a difference. Lag means what? Late हो जाना, lag करना. ठीक है? We were predicting that the tide will come at 12, but they are not coming at that time. They are delaying. So that is lagging.